going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Joey from Dad Simply Cooking. And we're making chicken pot pie. It's cold, not in the traditional way of an actual pie. I saw this idea on Instagram. If I can find it, I'll link it below. But it really motivated me to make this. So, preheat that oven to 350 and let's get started. Axel came up with a good idea. We're going to change it to 375. So to start with, what we're going to do is we're going to get our skillet. It is chicken for a chicken pot pie. So I'm going to put some oil down in my pan. Now I have chicken here. This is chicken thighs. I've cut them up already and they are in honey mustard. Yep. And so we're going to go ahead and start cooking these on down. And we need to season them. Now our chicken pot pies are going to go in this. This is my mega muffin tin. And we're going to put biscuits, then frozen vegetables, and can of condensed chicken is all you need. And you can make chicken pot pie. We're going to season this. We're going to do some crushed ground pepper. I'm going to salt it, and then the kids can help with the rest. After we do some honey barbecue pub rub, I'm going to put this one on because we don't need a whole lot. Because it'll make Dado sneeze. Alright, next up, Smokehouse Maple. Just dabble it. Some garlic. Some of my Chicago seasoning. I love this stuff.
Me too. I do.
You can't have it without ranch. This is Parmesan ranch. Pour it in.
Yep.
Be careful.
Did you put a water in there?
Just the whole bag. Just like that. Good job. Yeah.
We make it like an ant pile.
Mm-hmm.
One of my favorite vegetables I never have.
We got corn, green beans, peas, carrots.
Yeah. You know what I like better? I like the carrots.
You got the carrots?
Yeah.
So I'm going to pop the lid on that.
And also, we stay here when they get done. So we will be back.
The plan is to take the biscuits. We're going to open them on up. And you can make your own if you want to make your own. I'm just going with the convenience of time. So my plan is, so once I get them in the pan, I'm just going to start pushing those biscuits up.
Hey, I want to try that. Do I try?
Yeah, you can try one. Let me get this first one in.
I like it like a
Kind of like that. Kind of try to bring it up a little bit. All right, let's check on this before we finish that. Kind of want to add a little bit of chicken bouillon in here.
I like that. I like it.
Preheat my oven to 400 degrees. Let this chill for a second. But what we're going to do is we're going to add our can of condensed chicken on in. Plop it on in just like that.
Yep. Like that.
Yep. And I'm going to mix it in.
Yeah, sitting on the truck. Right there. And now, plug it.
Roll it out. So I'm going to take my chicken pot pie mixture. We're just going to fill these up with about a scoop So all I'm doing, I'm checking beforehand though, dabbing it out, dabbing my biscuits out, making sure we're good and spaced out for that load we're about to deliver. I only have one of these muffin tins, so I know biscuits make 8. So I'm gonna have to cook these and then make 2 more. Unless I go with a smaller muffin tin. I'm gonna add some cheddar on top, just lightly.
I want some cheddar.
Just a small amount. That's way too much. Okay, yeah, that's good. Pop these into your 400-degree oven, and then we'll be back. All right, y'all. Look at that. You can't beat that, or you can make it. I'm telling you. If I can make it, you can do it. It's simple. 4 ingredients: chicken, frozen bag of vegetables, cream of chicken. If I can do it, you can do it. It's simple. It's affordable. It's cheap and easy. All right, y'all. Look at that. Perfect on the inside. Oh, it smells amazing. You don't even need a spoon. Look, I just pick it up. On a cold day, that is killer. I'm making this from now on. I'm going to eat these. I don't know what they're going to do for dinner tonight. I love y'all, and we'll catch you in the next one. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like, comment, and subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Also, in the link or in the description below is a link to my wife's YouTube channel. If you guys will, just go over there and tell her I said hi, or tell her I sent y'all to say hi. I love y'all. Happy New Year. Later.